안녕하세요, 레인 오빠입니다. 오늘은 을, 에에 대해서 배워볼게요. 자, 그러면 준비되셨나요? The subtitle is down here, so if you can catch what am I talking about, you can just see the subtitle. Okay? Guys, ready? Right? And then let's go! Okay guys, so first of all, we are learning about object particles such as 을, So it shows that if there are words before 을, then we can say that those words are object of the sentence. And we use 을 when the word that comes before 을 ends with consonant, and we also use 를 when the word that comes before 를 ends with vowel. Okay? And basic sentence structure for these particles is noun, 을, action verb. Okay, so here are examples. To ride a bike, 자전거를 타요. 자전거를 타요. To drink water, 물을 마셔요. 물을 마셔요. To use your pen, 펜을 사용해요. 펜을 사용해요. Okay? Okay guys, so the last particle we are going to learn today is 에. So, 에 can be two particles such as like time particle and place particle. Okay? So let's see how they are used. Time, 에, action verb. For example, 2시에 만나요. 2시에 만나요. Which means see me at 2 or 3시에 만나요. Which means see me at 3. Easy, right? Place, 에, 있다 or 없다. For example, 그는 학교에 있다. He's at school. 그는 학교에 없다. He's not at school. Okay? Place, 에, moving verb. For example, 학교에 가요. Go to school. 학교에 와요. Come to school. Okay guys, so it's your turn, so please make a sentence with these particles because I always say that practice makes perfect, okay? So if you feel like you've learned a lot from this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, okay? Stay safe and I'll be back in a bit guys. 안녕.